So now I would like us to add some better controls to the eyes. Instead of rotating them with just directly, we could have an object that the eyes will be looking at, and we'll just move that object, and this will control the direction in which the character is looking, which is usually the way it's done for rigs. So let's switch to the edit mode of that armature. I'll press Shift D and turn on the screencast. I'll press Shift D to copy those, and I'll move them across the y-axis a little bit forward. And I'll create one more copy, which I'll put in the middle. To make sure it's in the middle, I'll simply input the X value here and set it to 0 for head and tail of the bone. And that's because as our character is on the center of this virtual world, the middle is going to be 0 on x-axis. So I'm going to remove parent from these. I'm going to click parent. Yes. Now these are not linked to that bone anymore. And I'll link them to this new middle bone with keep offset. So let's rename those. This is our eye aim right. This is our eye aim left. And this is our eye aim main. Let's not forget to turn off the form for these because they're just helper bones. So with the current linking, what we got is when I move that aim, these two are moving. And when I'm deforming the character, this whole aiming system is moving as well. So now I'll select this. This is our eye controller, right? So from the Add Constraint menu, I'll choose Track 2. And I don't need that empty here. It's automatically created empty, but I don't need that. Here in the target, I'll choose the armature. And inside the armature, I'll find this aim bone. So type in aim, and this is the right eye, so it needs the right aim. And you see it jumped a little bit. To fix that, I'll choose target Z as the up direction. And this kind of fixed that. And you can see this eye is now following that bone and looking at it. Let's do the same for the other aim. And now I'll just select this aim bone, select the eye bone, Shift Control C and Track 2. And this results in what we want, but let's also do the target Z thing. And when we move that bone now, we have our character looking in this direction. And this is exactly what we wanted.